So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that the NVIDIA app is closed. In the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to find NVIDIA settings. If you don't see it, click on the arrow and it might appear right here. Now once you find NVIDIA settings, you want to right click on it and then click on exit, which will then close the NVIDIA app. Next, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. Next, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Now you want to go to the driver tab and then click on update driver. And then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. Select your graphics card driver and then click on next. You want to install this. Once you complete all these steps, you can now open up the NVIDIA app and it should be working for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to uninstall the NVIDIA app. So just scroll down until you find NVIDIA app. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall it. And then click on yes. You want to uninstall the NVIDIA application. Click on uninstall. Once that's been uninstalled, just go to any web browser, go to Google and then type in NVIDIA app. Then you just want to re-download it again. And then the problem should be fixed.